Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Intelligence not showing on your iPhone and how to set it up properly. Apple Intelligence is a newer feature, so if you don't see it on your iPhone, the first thing to check is whether your device is fully updated. Start by opening Settings, then go to General and tap Software Update. Under the Also Available section, look for iOS 18.1. If it's there, tap Update Now and enter your screen lock passcode to install the update. Wait for the update to finish before moving on. Once your iPhone is updated, go back to Settings and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. If Apple Intelligence is available for your device, you should see an option to join the Apple Intelligence waitlist. Tap Join Waitlist and wait for confirmation from Apple. After joining the waitlist, restart your iPhone. Once the phone turns back on, go back to Settings and open Apple Intelligence and Siri again. Next, tap Language and make sure it's set to English United States or another supported language. Then tap Voice and choose American or another supported voice option. After completing these steps, Apple Intelligence should begin appearing on your iPhone as it becomes available to your account. And that's how you fix Apple Intelligence not showing on an iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.